Hello and welcome to your daily entertainment buzz right here on Odata GATV exclusive. Okay, so just as the 6th March ended, we have a newborn baby, 7th March, who was born in Canada. Our dear Nana Ama Mcbrown has given birth to a very nice baby, and she was born on the 7th. Hey, please, we don't know if it's a boy or a girl. Right now, it's a secret. You also don't know. You to find out 7th March. 2019, yes, and I mean we are all happy. You know, people were bashing Nana Ama Mcbrown that she's growing old and she's not giving birth and she's not married, and now God has battered her bread. She has also given birth to a very nice baby. So please, Nana, if you were a hater on Nana, okay, so this has been your daily entertainment buzz, and it's a gist. The baby came this morning and we are all here. People are now dropping her pregnancy baby shoots and all that. You know, we are very excited for her. We say God bless her and her family, and for using this baby to earmark the freedom that Ghana has. All right, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's bye for now.